Now that you have XAMPP installed, you can install Joomla by going to the joomla.org website, clicking the Download button, and downloading the zip file for the full package. When that's downloaded, create a new directory, Joomla, under the htdocs directory. Put the zip file into Joomla and extract it so all of the files go directly into the Joomla directory. Then install Joomla by opening a fresh tab on your browser and going to localhost/Joomla, that is the directory that you've just extracted the files to, and that will take you to the Joomla installation page, which is actually one directory below in the installation directory below Joomla. Choose your language and select Next, and everything should be pretty well straightforward by clicking the Next button until you get to host name, which is localhost. The username is root. There's no password. The database name will be training. Don't use FTP. The site name will be TMIT training site. Enter a legitimate email address. It doesn't really matter. And I've entered test for this one. Choose to not install the sample data and click OK to continue. It comes up with a warning message to completely remove the installation directory. You can do this from Bluefish. Under the Joomla directory, there's an installation directory. You right-click and click Delete. You may find you have to go to Windows Explorer in the Joomla directory and delete it from there in some cases. Now you can return to the Joomla installation and look at the site. And this is the standard Joomla front page of a new website using the Joomla CMS. To get to the back-end administration site, go to the directory administrator, press return, and you'll be presented with the login for the administration site. Recall that the username was admin and I used password test. As you can probably instantly see, this wheel has seriously been invented. Joomla structures content as sections under which there are categories, under which there are articles. But what's really interesting to us here is not the actual site itself, not the actual CMS program, but the underlying PHP code that's used to create it. It's worthwhile exploring the Joomla structure. And as a hint, start with the templates directory and RH UK Milky Way and look at the template index under this Milky Way template, because when you had the Joomla site, which we can preview from the administrator, this is actually Joomla's Milky Way template. So it's under Joomla, Templates, RH UK Milky Way, and the file is index.php, which is the template. And this will be very familiar to you. The template consists of some HTML with some PHP object-oriented code embedded in it, quite a bit of it. And if you look through that, you should be able to find ways where you can modify the look of the template in minor ways. The header contains link references to the CSS files, which are found in the CSS directory. And then there are modules directories, which contain a variety of modules, plugins, and includes. And it's worth looking at these and poking around in the PHP code to have a look at the structure of this CMS, a very big, comprehensive, full-function CMS. In addition, if you load up PHP MyAdmin, you'll find the training database, which is effectively Joomla, and you'll find 36 tables in this database. It's also worth poking around in that to see if you can determine some of the structure in the Joomla MySQL database. So you have a comprehensive system here comprising PHP, MySQL, which together form one of the world's leading content management systems.